Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Thrive Market for healthy groceries step by step clearly. Visit the Thrive Market website using your preferred browser. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. After registration, check your email for a confirmation link and click it. Once confirmed, return to the Thrive Market homepage and log in. Browse through the categories to explore healthy grocery options. You can search for specific items using the search bar at the top. Use filters to narrow down your choices by dietary preferences or brands. Add items to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button for each product. Once you've selected all your groceries, click on the shopping cart icon. Review your items in the cart to ensure everything is correct. When ready, proceed to checkout by clicking on the Checkout button. Select your preferred shipping method and input your delivery address. Enter your payment information and any discount codes you may have. Review your order summary for accuracy before finalizing. Click on the Place Order button to complete your purchase. Wait for a confirmation email with your order details and tracking information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.